Guys, Virgo here, back in our video, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys because we hit 100 subscribers! Well, actually 200 now, which is insane. Thank you guys so much. But before we get into the celebration video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. When I first created this channel, I just kind of created it as a fun little thing. I never actually imagined that I would hit 100 subscribers, and in 2018 I ended the year with 17 subscribers, and I thought it was impossible to ever get to 100, but here I am. So thank you guys so much. And I have something really special planned for today, but before we get into that, I wanted to say sorry that this video is a bit late. I know I hit 100 subscribers a few weeks ago, but things have been kind of crazy. I hit 100 subscribers when I was sick, and then after I recovered, my cousins came, and obviously I wanted to spend time with them. So yeah, sorry this video is a bit late, but I'm here now. So I actually have two special videos planned. The first video I need your guys' help with. So I thought it would be fun to do a Q&A for 100 subscribers. Why a Q&A, you ask? Well, I just thought, it would be fun, and also I feel like you guys don't really know me very well, and I think a Q&A would be the perfect opportunity for you guys to ask me some questions, and you can get to know me a bit better. But for this video to be possible, I need your guys' help. I need you to comment down below on this video some questions that you want me to answer. It could either be about me or just any question that you want me to answer. So yeah, please comment your questions down below and maybe you'll be in my video. But anyways, moving on to what we're doing today. So, you know YouTube play buttons, right? There's a silver, gold, diamond, and ruby play button. And play buttons are these little awards that you get when you hit a certain amount of subscribers. And since I will be getting a silver play button for a very long time, I decided, it would be fun to make my very own play button. So today we are going to be making the foil play button. I am going to be telling you how we're going to make that in a second. But first, so yesterday we went to Michael's to pick up the supplies for the play button. Alright, I'm in the car with Noah, and we are going to head to Michael's to get the stuff for the play button. Alright, so we have everything plus a few extra, so we're gonna go home now. We got this too. So yeah, we did that yesterday. I also got a snack yesterday. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you what we picked up from Michael's. Oh, not this. Not this either. Or this. Alright, here we go. Okay, this thing is pretty heavy. So, we have this thing. I think what is this? It's a table setting. But we are going to be using this for the base of the play button. Pretty big, as you can see. I think this is the actual size of the silver play button. It's not actually this thick. If you look closely, there's a bunch of them. So, it's not actually going to be this thick. But in the back here, as you can see, you can stand it up, which will be helpful to put this play button on display. But yeah, we're going to be using this for the base of the play button. We have the colors for the play button. So we have white, foil, and pink foil. So we're going to take the foil and basically put it all over this so that the play button is nice and foily since it is the foil play button. And then we're going to take the pink foil and make the little play button square, and then we're gonna use this foil to make a little triangle inside of the play button, and then this white is gonna be for the text. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty much like a real play button, except like my own. I was originally gonna make it like very similar to the silver play button and have like the play button be black, but I thought it's not a real play button, so I might as well make it my own. So I'm using pink instead. Sorry if this all sounds confusing to you. You'll see how we're gonna do this in a second. But yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's get to making it. Alright, welcome to my kitchen. I don't think I've ever filmed in here before, but I have everything set up. So here is a little example thing we made. We printed out some pictures. So this is basically what it's gonna look like, but just a bit different, obviously. So we're gonna cover this whole background with this silver iron-on vinyl, and then we'll take the pink foil and make the square, and then we'll use the white for the text. So we're first gonna have this machine cut everything, and then I'm going to peel it off and iron it on. Background of the play button. So now we're going to put the other colors into the machine, and it's going to cut it, and yeah. Cutting. So now I'm going to take this thingy and peel off all of the excess parts. Sorry, no, I just dropped this cup, but I'm going to peel off all of the excess vinyl, and then we're going to iron it. So we ran into a bit of a problem. So once we ironed on the thing and peeled it off, it ended up with this weird design. I might have to put some skin or something. But yeah. So we have 3 options here. So my dad is running to Michael's to get a wooden thing instead, because we're thinking that maybe it didn't work because it was like some sort of weird metal, so we're gonna try wood. And then second option, if that doesn't work, then we're gonna get a different vinyl to put on the metal and try everything over again, cut everything and stuff. And option number 3, which we're probably not going to go for, we could just leave it with the weird marks on it. But yeah, so that did not go as planned, but I will update you guys when we figure it out. Alright, so my dad just came back from Michael's. We are going to try it with this instead. It's this little wooden thing. It does have ridges right here, which means that we can't put foil on this part, but hopefully it will work. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I kind of forgot to explain things yesterday, but here's what happened. So I think I left off where we were testing out to see if the wood would work, and it did not. It was very wrinkly, and it just did not look good. So, we came up with a new plan. Hopefully this works. I really hope this works. So last night, me and my mom made a trip back to Michael's, and we picked up some new vinyl and a new piece of wood. So basically, since the metal and the wood didn't work, we're going to try the metal and the wood again, but with this different type of vinyl. I really hope that this works. So everyone at home, cross your fingers. Let's really hope that this works. And yeah. So since we're getting a new vinyl, we do have to start everything over. We have to make everything all over again. So I'm probably not going to film as much today, since it would basically just be you guys watching the same thing twice. So everything that we're going to do today is kind of just going to be a quick time lapse until we get to the part that we didn't do yesterday, which is ironing on everything. And then, hopefully, our play button will be good to go. So yeah, I will see you guys when we start making it. Okay, so we have everything set up. We are going to cut everything again, and I will see you guys when it is time to put everything together. I hope this works. Alright guys, so here is the finished result. I think it looks super cool. It says, presented to Puppet Girl for passing 100 subscribers. So in the end, I think it turned out pretty well. It didn't end up looking that oily after we put it on, but other than that, I think it looks really good. It may have taken us many hours. We may have made many mistakes. We may have struggled a little bit, but in the end, I would say it was worth it. So let me know in the comments what you think of the foil play button. Do you think it looks like a real play button? Also, don't forget to comment down below your questions for the upcoming Q&A in the comments, and you might be a part of the video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little special video. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!